Scrubbing bathrooms until your arms ache, using harsh chemicals, still seeing grime you can't remove? Grease on kitchen surfaces, laughing at cleaning sprays, mysterious permanent-looking sofa stains? The high-pressure handheld steam cleaner harnesses superheated steam's natural cleaning power to dissolve grime, kill bacteria, and sanitize surfaces without chemical cleaners. This isn't just cleaning. It's sanitizing, degreasing, and deodorizing using only water transformed into powerful steam. High temperature and pressure penetrate deep into surfaces, loosening stuck-on grime. Perfect for kitchens where grease accumulates on stovetops and backsplashes. Steam melts away bathroom soap scum and hard water deposits. Upholstery gets deep cleaned without soaking, removing stains and odors. Small appliances harbor hidden dirt affecting performance. Steam reaches unreachable areas, blasting out grime. Portable handheld design means no dragging heavy equipment. Chemical-free cleaning is healthier for families, safer for pets, better for environments, and costs less than constantly buying specialized cleaners. The link is in the description and comments.